There could be many pronunciation mistakes, but today I'm going to talk about few of the important ones. Mispronouncing the th sound, saying t or d instead of th. For example, this. It is not this, it is this. This. You can also use that instead of that. Mixing of v and v sound. If you want to say something, for example, wine, right? We should not use wine, wine. Velocity, victory. You have to bite your lower lip. And what, when, if you say wine, a liquor, or what, when, adding extra syllables to the words ending in consonants. For example, film instead of film. Pronouncing silent letters. You can't say psychology, it is psychology. Same way, the word is pronounced as knee, not kidney. Confusing long and short vowel sounds. A long one is needed and you are using short vowel sounds. Or if short vowel sound is needed, you are using long. For example, bit and beat. R sound, it is car, not car. Mispronouncing word stress. For example, if it is a gift, it should be present, present. And if you are talking about introducing someone, so present. For example, presentation, incorrect schwa sound. Schwa is that small sound. Telephone. No, it should be telephone. Confusing sh and ch sound. Cheap, sheep. There could be chance, shall. Final consonant omissions. So we should not pronounce wanna. It is a slang word. We should say want. I believe that you have understood the common pronunciation mistakes. See you in the next video. Bye for now.